don't know where this brother of mine is. Akash, where are you?
I'm here only.
So come on, let's go to the nutritious meeting. I have a
I don't
like
want
a
to
vegan
come
session.
anywhere.
No, you have to come. What are you doing right now?
I have friends to meet.
No meeting friends. Come on, let's go.
But
I've been
why?
seeing you standing in the sun. Vitamin D is doing nothing to you.
But I'm standing in the sun.
Why are you standing in the sun?
Because my legs were paining.
So that's vitamin D doesn't do anything to you. You need to put some nutrition in your body.
Okay, fine.
Come on, let's go.
But then I don't give me medicine or something. Okay?
No. So let's go to
Hi guys,
Hi,
what's up? How are you?
I'm good. So that's my brother. He's been
Hi.
standing in the
Hi.
sun thinking that that's gonna cure him. So can you just
Cure
help
him?
him?
What is it? What's
My
bothering
legs
you?
are paining apparently.
Okay. Okay, so have you tried like consulting with some?
No, I haven't done any of that sort.
Okay, so we have a service in our store which can probably like let you know what the issue is instead of you like forming a picture in your head.
Okay,
So
sure.
I'll just make you meet the health consultant so she can take it.
Oh, hi, thank you. Hi.
Hi.
Good to see you. Good to see you as well. So what seems to be the problem?
Apparently my legs pain a lot these days.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you know why? Like what does your data say right now?
No, I have just started standing in sun because I feel that's where the vitamin deficiency.
Okay, so the hypothesis currently is that it's a vitamin D.
Yeah.
Definitely. Okay, let me just do a quick scan. See your data here. I'm sure you've been monitoring it as well, and you're right. You do have vitamin D deficiency. Your levels are so low. Yeah. So another thing is, yes, it is right. Just standing in the sun often doesn't work because
Okay.
your body can't absorb it correctly. Are you can you take some food supplements?
No, I'm really irregular with my food intake.
So I have to keep on reminding him to take a supplement, take those supplements. Okay. So that doesn't. I mean, we do have a few different services where you can kind of have it on the go.
Okay.
If you think you
That
can manage
won't
that.
work. Sorry. Yeah.
At least you know clearly that it won't
Yeah.
work. So we have this other product that you can also try. It's called Nutriwhere.
Okay.
It's why it's a garment and you can, I'll connect you to like a fashion designer who can then.
So can you also tell us a little more about the product as well, about Nutriwhere?
Yeah,
Like how
absolutely.
is it targeted to and what does it do?
People like him who refuse to take food supplements. It is hard because sometimes we're on the go and it's hard to sort of keep track of it. So what this does is it'll give you like an immediate booster. It'll have these micropods within the garment and you can select what style and everything that you need. And it will ensure that your levels become normalized, and once it's normal you can choose whether you want to wear it or not. And as you can see the data here, like when you do sort of dip below the ideal balance, it will remind you again, and
Okay.
again at that point if you choose to do it through food or through supplements, you can do that as well. You can sort of custom build your
Is it just for the people who have deficiency or is it for
it can be for anyone. Yeah.
Okay. So maybe we should go to the consultant or the
Yeah.
fashion designer.
Yeah.
right now.
So if you're happy with that, then I'll just connect you to her and then she can help you find something that's
Okay.
suited to your style.
Okay, sure. So,
Thank you. Yeah.
Hi Akash.
hi.
Hi.
So how can I help?
Actually, one of the health consultant did refer me for something to wear since I have vitamin deficiency.
Okay. So I have a couple of styles here. Like probably
Okay.
you can have this kind of a it's a smart garment which you can roll up like a dhoti or a jacket or a scarf, and it will immediately detect your deficiencies, and probably for that once you start wearing it, within a week your levels will be all fine.
Okay.
So it can change your you can change the color of this. It has this interface through which you can change the color on a daily basis.
Okay.
You can change the style and based on your mood, and then that's how
Okay,
you
so I
can
have to
wear it.
just wear it like
Yeah,
a
just wear it and you're good to go.
Okay,
So
sure.
that's the whole smart garment.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. This feels better already.
Yes.
And then
Within a week, you are absolutely on your limits. Yeah.